Supervillains are remarkable beings. Whether or not they have any superpowers, they constantly move toward evil, and in the process, they only slow down or stop when the heroes try to stop them. Interestingly, the person who made this shockingly accurate observation isn't me, but rather it's Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac named his first law of motion, and it states an object in a state of rest or constant speed in a straight line will remain in that state unless acted upon by an external unbalanced force. This is exactly like supervillains, who will stay in a state of plotting their next evil plan until and unless superheroes, the external unbalanced forces, try to stop them. There is one other very memorable instance in superhero history when Newton's first law is very clearly seen in Thor Ragnarok. When Hela kicks Thor out of the Bifrost and into deep space. Pay close attention to what happens. Thor, who has been sent into deep space, stays in a state of constant speed in a straight line and flies light years away. That is until he reaches Sakaar. What happens then? The moment he reaches within the range of Sakaar's gravitational field, the gravitational force of Sakaar acts on him. It is both external and unbalanced, so it diverts him off of the straight line and he speeds into the ground of that planet until he lands on the hard surface. What you saw happen clearly was him not being acted upon by any force and therefore continuing in the same state he was in. Finally, when another force acted on him, his state changed. That's how Sir Isaac Newton not only explains supervillains, but also why Thor ended up on Sakaar. Talk about foresight! You have been watching another episode of Super Science. This is the show where I show you how superheroes use physics, and you absorb this information and become a physics master yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, read comics, and watch movies. Super Science out!